Notifications in GrowTrack are designed to help you act, not distract you. This system does not flood you with alerts. It watches your garden quietly and only speaks when something matters. Every notification is based on your data, your location, your crops, your planting dates, your garden structures, and your past problems. Nothing is generic. GrowTrack monitors weather conditions, seasonal timing, plant stages and known risks. If a frost is coming and you have vulnerable crops planted, you are notified. If conditions align with a disease you faced before, Rowan flags it early. If a task is approaching based on how and when you planted, it appears at the right moment. These notifications show inside the app, but they also work through Rowan. You can ask Rowan questions like, what should I be watching for this week? Is anything at risk right now? And Rowan answers using your live garden data. If you're using Rowan through WhatsApp, the same system applies. Rowan will message you with plain English, no dashboards, no noise, just clear guidance. You stay in control, you decide which alerts matter to you. Seasonal warnings, frost risks, disease pressure, task reminders, GrowTrack adapts as your garden changes. The more you log, the smarter these alerts become. This is not about reacting faster, it's about preventing problems before they start. In the next video, we'll look at how GrowTrack brings everything together in one daily view so you always know where you stand.